All right, so I've taken the thing apart, and I noticed this board had some cracks in it. This really flimsy PC board can crack easily, these single-sided, real flimsy boards. And I noticed there was a crack here at this corner. So I actually removed the board, and I noticed there was some cracks on some traces. So I bridged all the traces that had cracks on them and tried to make sure that was in good shape. I then used some UV curing resin glue to fill the cracks and put them back in place. So I love that UV glue stuff. I'm beginning to kind of be a fan of it. So I am waiting for the power supply, but of course I have no patience. So the power supply that I showed before was marginal for this thing, but I'm hoping it's enough. I'm hoping it's enough to do something. So I just wanted to power it up and see if it does anything at all. So that would be nice. All right, so it's in the machine now, but I already showed it, but it's in there now. I think it's 2.5. Let's see, what was it? I need 6 amps, 3 amps, and this one is something like 5 amps. I don't know. It's in that other video. Yeah, I don't remember. But anyway, I wanted to try it out just to see, because a lot of times it's a matter of, are the disk drives motors rotating and stuff that'll take out most of the current and stuff. So we will give it a shot. So let's move the camera. All right, let me reach behind here and turn it on. Oh, I gotta replace that fan, that's for sure. Oh, look at this! Kaypro Corporation version 201. So it looks as though it is in quite good shape. In order for it to display something on the screen, a lot of things have to be right. Certainly the monitor has to be right, and it's, oh God, listen to that fan. Okay, fan needs to go. Fan needs to go. Let me turn it off. Oh boy, Archer at its best. Go Radio Shack. Okay, so I can replace that. I've got a lot of fans laying around. So in order to get something on the screen, a lot of things have to be right. The processor has to be going, the RAM has to work, the video has to work, it has to generate horizontal and vertical syncs, the monitor has to work, it has to generate high voltage, blah, 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 blah. So yeah, we're in really, really, really good shape. I had a plan B in case the thing was just a sick puppy. There is an actual, somebody developed it not too long ago, developed a ROM that you can put inside a Kaypro, and it doesn't even display anything on the front panel. It goes on RS-232 in the back, and you can talk to the microprocessor, and then you can determine whether RAM is bad, or you can determine whether the video graphics card is bad, or the floppies are bad. It's a really, really, really good tool. Okay. All right, so I did figure out this board. So around 1984, they did a universal card, and this is the universal card, and they built a lot of different computers from this universal card. And around that period of time, they introduced the Kaypro 2X, which this one is. But they had a revision 1, a revision 2, and a revision 3 being the latest one. And the revisions 1 and 2 had certain quirks. I don't remember what was part of it, what wasn't part of it, but revision 3, so a Kaypro 2X revision 3 has a real-time clock and has the modem. So that's what this thing is. It's quite late in life for the Kaypro Corporation. I think they were kind of struggling and just kind of throwing everything in to make people buy it. So it was the revision 3 of the 2X. This ROM here is the A version. They did get up to the C version. I might try C version later on once I get the whole thing up and running again, but this is the A version. This is 1984 on it. The C version might be 1985, I'm not sure. All right, so what is next? what is next for this beast? Next for this beast is the floppy drives. I don't have any floppies right now. And I'm not going to waste my money on floppies, although you can. There's people who sell a set. What I am interested in is putting in a GoTech, and I have one on order. So I have a GoTech. It is a floppy disk drive emulator. And then once I have the emulator in there, I've got tons of software available online for free, and I should be able to then boot this thing up. So yeah, there we go.